comes with is
marshmallows,
sticks, Rice Krispie treats, and
mold,
gingerbread mold,
black icing, chocolate chips, a funnel
piping
thing,
bag,
candy, and I think
candy beads actually.
candy beads, yeah.
So stay tuned. First step
is to get a pan on the stove and put the marshmallows and butter. Is to the large saucepan over low heat, melt butter, and add mini marshmallows. Okay. Get the butter. Start with a knife. Put a decent amount of butter.
Okay, so we are done mixing the butter.
And it says melt the butter, and now you have to add the marshmallows.
Now we're gonna stir it.
And you have to start melting the marshmallows.
Okay,
Add Rice
so
Krispies.
now I'm gonna add the Rice Krispie treats. So
It's really, ooh, it smells like.
So the next step is, if you are doing the chocolate, put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And then once the 20 seconds is up, you
Stir.
take it out, stir it,
And then put it back in.
put it back in for 20 seconds.
Until it's
So
creamy and
here's the time
smooth.
lapse of Jordan doing that.
And then she had to be the snowman.
Have you stopped recording?
Put it in for, mix it more.
Okay, put
Is she that way at practice?
Yeah, it's done. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this stuff in the piping bag so we can pipe it.
We're putting the chocolate in. We have our Rice Krispie treat right here.
We're gonna start shaping them. Just gonna pour all of it. Oh, it's getting stiff. We better hurry. So put it all on the parchment paper. Grace, you need to wash your hands. You didn't wash
Hands
your
are
hands.
washed.
No, they're not. I saw you eating off of them.
Okay, so this could take some time.
We should just shape them like squares.